Guys, today we are going to learn how to make these paper fruits. See, let's get started. These are the supplies, markers. We can use colored markers, we can use crayons and plenty of colorful papers. Now we are going to make avocado. For the avocado we need one light green sheet and one dark green and one small piece of brown paper. First of all, we are going to draw the shape of avocado with the pencil, the outline. See, I have drawn. I am going to cut it with scissors. Now I will trace this first layer. Okay. See, I have drawn. I am going to make it a little bit smaller than the first layer. See, this layer I am going to cut the inner side. Okay, I am going to place it here and I am going to fix it with the glue. I have fixed it with the glue. Now we are going to make this part, and we need brown sheet. Here I will draw the inner side. See, and I am going to cut it. Fix this brown in the center. Now we are going to use these crayons to give the color or shading. Dark green for the outer layer. Here we will use light green. Now you're going to smudge it with your hands. See? Okay friends, I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.